So we'll go to a set of questions, okay, around 20 to 19 questions. So some are true or false, some are we have to think and give an answer, or some are optionals, like that I created. First thing is true or false. So we can edit a benefit plan to change the provider, but this should only be done in coordination with end of your plan year. So question is simple. Can we change the benefit provider once we created a benefit plan?
Yes, I do. No.
Once the plan has been configured, provider cannot be changed.
Oh, coverage type also cannot be changed,
Exactly.
right?
So we,
Yeah.
I mean, we have not tried, but we discussed. Good one.
Oh.
As a provider, you can't change. Coverage also you cannot change once the plan is already configured.
Yeah.
Okay. So out of this A, B, C, D, E, let's say 5 plans we have mentioned. The second question: which one is not a benefit plan? Medical insurance spending additional HSA for the savings. So one is not a benefit plan among 5. Yes.
HSA?
HSA
No.
we have, health savings account we have. So here when I say benefit plan,
Yeah, under the
coverage
healthcare, yeah, it's medical and vision and dental will come, right?
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. Okay.
What plans can have target defined?
Perfect. Good one. What plan can have targets defined? Under these plans, for which plans we can define targets? Before that, what is targets?
Targets means, I mean the dependents. No?
Exactly. Good. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Dependents. So who are all the dependents? Any examples? For okay, dependents is correct. For which plans we can include dependents?
Healthcare plans we can, insurance coverage, additional benefit plans.
Correct.
Also.
Exactly. Healthcare coverage, insurance coverage, even additional benefit coverage.
Yeah.
Earlier we don't have much additional benefit, only insurance and healthcare. Now Workday has enhanced. Good one. So you're able to give answer. Excellent. What is the true statement regarding the benefit plan name field on the benefit plan? So go through this, please.
What is the true statement? Okay.
It is a true statement regarding the benefit plan name field on a benefit plan. The field overrides the auto-generated plan name with name you enter. It is required.
The text entered in the field is added to the system generated plan name.
Excellent. Correct. Very good. True. This is the right. Okay. So the field cannot be overridden. The auto-generated plan name. Auto-generated plan name is coverage type and the provider will be together. Correct. So it cannot override. Similarly, this is a required field. No, it's optional field, not mandatory. A field is being deprecated and should not be used by new customers. No, it's not. The text entered in this field added to the additional, added to system generated plan name. Correct. True or false? The deduction earning field on the benefit plan is only populated. The deduction earnings field on the benefit plan is only populated. Looks like it's incomplete question. Okay, let me put in this way. The deduction and earning field in the benefit plan automatically populated. Is it true? If you're creating a benefit plan, earning and deduction will be automatically available or automatically defaulted?
False. It should first, the payroll team has to
Configure that first.
Configure it,
correct.
Right? Then
you cannot configure from directly from plan. It has to be. Excellent. Okay. The effective date and benefit plan controls when a benefit plan will be available for enrollment. Is that correct?
Yes.
Correct. The plan effective date plays a key role. It will define when this plan is available to an employee in addition to the plan year definition.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already there. Okay. A plan year definition is either one of these. What is a plan year definition? How do you define that?
Plan year definition, it's a combination of plans which we map to the, so that we can assign to the employees. All the benefits grouped together and.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No problem. No problem. A benefit plan year definition is a list of all plans. List of all plans that will be active for a period of time defined by start and end date. List of all active and discontinued plans. List of plans that you think are special. Second one.
List of all activity. Yeah.
The active plans, but a particular period. We are giving start of date, end of date. You remember? Start of period.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So this one is right. What are the three types of benefit eligibility rules you can create that are not related to ACA? Ma'am, wherever you see ACA, ignore. Okay. But since you're in US, right? We are not. To give a high level, sometimes we may have hourly wage employees. Most of the companies, they won't grant benefit healthcare plans, insurance plans for hourly wage employees. But some companies, they will give healthcare, at least insurance plan, if they work at least 100 hours in a month, minimum 100 hours. By any chance in a month, if they have their number of hours has been dropped less than 100, they will lose the eligibility for healthcare and insurance. Okay, this is a manual configuration kind. So this is nothing but Affordable Care Act. So what are the three types of benefit eligibility rules you can create that are related to ACA? Compare type. Okay, payer type equal to hourly, employee type equal to part-time, and country specific. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a common question, just to touch base I included.
Okay.
To make it simple, hourly base. Okay.
Oh.
So when I say hourly base, payer type is hourly. Hourly is nothing but part. Right. Yeah. And could be also contract contingent employees. Okay. True or false? For a change benefit election task to route to the benefit partner, simply select route to benefit partner checkbox. Is that correct?
Yes.
Right. So if you enable the checkbox route to benefit partner on the benefit event type, definitely it will route to the benefit partner. Depends on the BP has been defined. Okay. True or false? The guaranteed issue amount is defined on the enrollment event rule. Is it correct? Can we define the guaranteed issue amount on the enrollment event rule?
False. No.
One correction. The question is ACA. Yes, we can define guaranteed amount. Okay. Okay. But again, this is part of
okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah. So what happens? As I said, minimum hours, maximum amount, maximum amount. Directly they will define.
Okay.
Okay. That is only for USA. Three tabs. Okay. True or false? Maintain benefit defaults allows you to select healthcare, insurance, additional benefit, or retirement savings plans as defaults. Is that correct? We haven't discussed.
Benefit defaults.
Actually, we don't use this one.
No.
So suppose, okay, let me explain, ma'am. So as I said, if the benefits are managed and maintained by the vendor, okay, providers.
No. Okay.
In Workday, you just want to, for reporting purpose, you are managing benefits. You're not allowing employees to override the benefits, change the benefits, enroll the benefits. And our HR partner, admin, everything is directly coming through the integration from the third-party system. So sometimes what happens, you can configure maintain benefit defaults. So certain plans you can default directly to the employees. In this scenario, you are not initiating any benefit plans now. So no one will use, but we have this option. You can default the benefit plans based on the criteria. I will explain over this.
Okay.
I just consider heads up. So true or false? The effective date of benefit plan controls when as we discussed, it seems, right? Repeated. Okay. Okay. Sorry, please ignore this one. What is not a component on maintain enrollment instruction? Which one is not a component?
Okay.
Which is not a component on maintain enrollment instruction? So we actually the task maintain enrollment instruction, no?
No. Instructions, no.
We are given enrollment instructions, ma'am. But the instructions maintain are
Okay.
to default the text, show text for specific benefit group, show text for specific enrollment event type, show text for specific security group. This is based on the group only, ma'am. Don't worry. That's the right answer. It's completely based on benefit group. For always employees, we can show. So like that. And not an event type we don't use in the enrollment instructions.
Okay.
Okay. It is based on the benefit group. Okay. So which of the following HR business process can be mapped to the benefit event? It's simple, ma'am. If you're hiring an employee now, there are some mandatory benefits you have to allow the employee to choose. That happens through two things: business process, benefit event, and a condition. We have to discuss this one as well. BP we have not completed it. I will explain.
Okay.
But if you ask me answer,
All of the above, right?
all of them. So any of the event is triggered, it's impacting the benefits. Okay.
Yes.
For onboarding an employee, you may have to give the primary benefits. For terminating an employee, you have to remove all the benefit plans and continue only with Cobra insurance. You're promoting, transferring an employee, it will impact the benefit. If any employee going on leave, example, sabbatical leave, the employee no longer available for absence. Sorry,
Yeah.
no longer available for any healthcare benefits because he's going on sabbatical. So everything. Yeah. Okay. So which of the following is not a secondary plan rule in a cross-plan enrollment prerequisite?
C may elect one or more secondary plan. No?
Which of the following is not a secondary plan rule in a cross-plan enrollment? Must elect one primary and one secondary. It's there. Must elect at least one secondary plan. May
It is
elect
also
one
there.
or more secondary plan. Looks all are there. Must elect at least one secondary plan.
I think C, no?
No, C is correct answer. May elect one or more secondary plan. It is there. Must elect one primary and one secondary. This is the one. Now I will ask interview-specific questions, which I used to ask with the team. Common question. So what happens if an employee has eligible for more than one benefit group? So we tested this, but still asking.
Yeah, it will not allow
It will not allow to enroll any of the
enroll in. Yes.
Excellent. Okay. What happens if the plan year end definition is over and it has not been extended?
The same thing. We cannot assign plan to the employees, or employees cannot see the plan to
Employees
enroll.
start with the plan. Remember this question. 100%. I'm expecting this question might be important. Okay, we cannot see the plan. Correct.
Okay.
Until we'll extend the plan year end date.
Plan. Yeah.
So, okay. Then let's assume you have assigned one plan to an employee. Okay, we have assigned a healthcare plan with a benefit event type called healthcare coverage. Okay, just let me write it. So plan name is healthcare. Okay, coverage name is healthcare. Sorry, event name is healthcare event. Let me cut it. Plan name, benefit event name. Plan name, benefit event name. Now, assume on November 5th, you assign this benefit plan through this event. You assigned, process is successfully completed. Now, same date, again, same event you initiated to assign this plan again, second time. Question, does Workday will allow us to assign the same event multiple times on one single high date? Any guess?
One, because I tried this, it was saying like event should be, I mean.
That shows you're practicing, correct. So what is your answer? That's true. What's the answer, ma'am?
We can do it, right? With
We can't.
the same event.
Event cannot be
Yeah.
initiated on the same event date, ma'am. Because coverage start date, deduction date is already triggered, will be triggered. So same event cannot be initiated again and again. So what we have to do, so why I'm saying this now, for example, assume an employee wants to contribute $50 initially. So they're initiated and he enrolled and he completed. Now he went for a coffee break and realized, why don't I go for $100 instead of 50? So let me again initiate additional $50. That time Workday will give error message. What is the solution? Resign the event. What are the initiated on the date? Resign the event and then resign the event and then initiate again. Okay. So to make it simple, we cannot initiate the same event on the same effective date multiple times. Resign and you can reinitiate.
Okay, if it is different date,
it will accept. Prior date, future date will be accepted. Yes.
Okay.
Because same date Workday doesn't accept through EIB or manual. Okay. Right. Now, once you create a benefit plan, okay, you have created a benefit plan, all required mapping you have completed. You are trying to assign a benefit plan to an employee. And the benefit plan is not available at all to assign to an employee. What might be the reason? How do you troubleshoot? What steps you follow?
Yeah, the same thing like the pay rate type, what we have doing, pay rate type and
eligibility rules.
eligibility rule, yeah, eligibility rule and event rules.
Correct. What else?
Security.
Good one. Security also, there are possibilities. Okay. What else? There are so many.
The country. Yeah, country. Eligibility control.
Employee may not be eligible. Or sometimes what happened, plan I created on December 1st and trying to assign in the November 25th. Got my point? I created December 1st future date and trying to assign to rest date. It won't work, right?
Yeah,
So
effective date, right?
Yes, those scenarios also will be there. Okay, so we have to, so you can say this way impact. First thing, I will troubleshoot whether the employee is eligible or not. How you will do? I will go to the benefit group, worker plan eligibility if applicable, and then I will check what is the criteria has been created at worker level. Also, it has been mentioned or not. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then. Okay. Let's say we have an insurance plan, a 401k plan. And that plan, if employee initiated or benefit partner initiated, it should be auto default. Okay. Employee should not waive off the plan. Employee should not allow to waive off the plan. How do we configure which field plays a key role for this requirement? My question is, let's say there is a 401k plan. Okay. And you don't want all of the employee to waive off the plan, to remove the plan.
Okay.
So what we will do? To make it simple, You made the plan mandatory. Employee cannot remove the plan himself or herself.
Okay. Mandatory.
Yeah. Can I give answer or you want to try? Auto enrollment.
It was in my mind, but yeah.
No. You are giving the right answers. In fact, just few things. Actually, I'm also asking out of the box which we have not discussed. Auto enrollment. Once you enable the auto enrollment, plan automatically defaulted to the worker, and it cannot be removed. The worker, also, for example, a 401k assigned to me. If I don't want the 401k, I can't remove it. Not only 401k. Let's take any plan. Let's take any plan.
Okay.
Cannot be removed on our own. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Under one coverage type, on one coverage type, you created 3 benefit plans. Okay.
Okay.
3 benefit plans. Let's say medical only. Medical, the coverage type is medical. Medical has vision. Okay, this is the coverage type, huh? And these are the
Yeah.
plans you created. Dental. And okay, let's say vision and dental. Or let's say health. You're allowing, the requirement is allow the employee to select 3 plans. If you are the employee interest, you select 1 plan or 2 plan, 3 plan, it's employee interest. Coverage type is 1, 3 benefit plans created on the same coverage type, which means medical vision, medical dental, medical health. But when the employee trying to enroll into the 3 plans, employee is not able to enroll. They're getting an error. What might be the reason? Which one is
So employees
go on.
employees trying to enroll into 3 plans?
Yes, employees trying to enroll into 3 plans, but workday is not allowing. But requirement is employees can enroll into the 3 plans.
Okay. So the cross plan dependencies?
Okay, could be one of the reason, right?
Yeah.
What else?
What else can be the reason?
I'm giving a clue. Enrollment event rules.
Yes. There only any select any plan or allowed only one plan,
Can
right?
select any plan.
Yeah.
Only one plan. Default to the current elections, right?
Elections.
Those. So those also we have to check now. So if my requirement is I want all the 3 plans, but at the coverage rules I selected only current plan.
Okay.
It doesn't allow. It should be can select any plan, right? Any plan we can. So okay. Okay. What are the 6 classifications we have in benefit coverage types?
6 classifications.
Yeah.
Healthcare.
Healthcare.
Insurance.
Insurance.
HSA, FSA.
HSA, FSA.
Additional benefit plans and retirement.
Excellent. All 6 correct. The common question they will ask in the benefit plan is this way. What are the benefit components?
Okay.
That is maybe one question. Or the same question they can ask in this way. In order, I want to create a new benefit plan. What data you need? Answer is same. Components. Okay. Trust me, this is the question you will get. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you can answer this one question, you covered all the benefit plans, right? All components when you are aware, because the same configuration of 6 classifications, configuration remains simple. So this is a completely expected question in benefits. Okay. So the next question is actually the complex one is insurance we have to discuss, right? I would like to remove the benefit plan from the dependents or for the employees automatically based on certain criteria. For example, if an employee age is greater than equal to 50 and the employee working in Chicago, the employee should not be eligible for, the plan should be automatically removed. I'll put in the document to make it simple. Let's say if my requirement is something like this. This is my question.
Okay. So for this, we need to just assign the worker eligibility.
Right.
Yeah.
But
And for the dependents eligibility.
We have one concept called passive event.
Oh, okay.
This passive, no, you're correct. We need to get the eligibility rule through the benefit eligibility. That's absolutely correct. But the rule we have to consume or assign in the passive event rule. I'll create a rule. If any employee age is greater than 50 years and other additional criteria, regular employee, location, Chicago, whatever, and this passive event, I have to schedule it. So you have an idea. I hope definitely have an idea. And scheduling, ma'am, do you have any idea on scheduling?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So once you schedule, the schedule will trigger and it will identify if any employee has met this criteria, the plan automatically will be removed. Removed in the sense the event will be triggered to the benefit partner to remove that.
Okay.
That is called passive event. Okay.
Got it.
Perfect. So they are the only areas where maximum will go, but different scenarios we have to discuss.